Okay, so now we already created the actions on this one. Let's go ahead and create the actions on the next one, on the next screen. So just go ahead here, you open it, and then we have all of this. You already have this one. Remember, we created from the previous screen and it's duplicated on this one. So the only thing that you're going to create here is going to be this one. So go ahead and just like select slide left. Action is going to be swipe to the left, and transition slide left. This doesn't duplicate, and let's make it a little bit bigger. I have fat fingers, so like big juicy hot spots. Okay, we're ready. We can actually go ahead and go to the next screen here, or you can press your right arrow key. I'm going to go ahead and press my right arrow key. And boom, I am on the next screen now. I'm a third of 22. So right here, again, you have this action already duplicated here. Let's add a new one here. So anonymous, beauty is in the eye of the beer holder. That's so beautiful, so insightful. Okay, we have this, just click it, and then transition is going to be slide left. Action is going to be swipe left. And the image we're going to go is, we're actually going to do a loop, and we're going to go to the first one. So perfect. Now we created our first, the actions on our first three screens. We have this and we have this, and that's perfect.